mga kaibigan. Palakpakan po natin at i-welcome po from the Concepcion Carriers, Robo G. Lucindo. And now from the UTEX Wranglers, who played in the second game of the very first PBA doubleheader, palakpakan po natin, Danny Florencio! Also, ladies and gentlemen, from the UTEX Wranglers, Orly De Los Santos. Ating susunod po na taga UTEX Wranglers, wala pong iba kung hindi si Romeo Frank. Next, we'd like to call on Mr. Egay Gomez. I would like to call on the team manager of the San Miguel Beermen, Mr. Hector Calma, to represent the San Miguel Corporation franchise, the only pioneer PBA member team still playing today, all of the PBA's 35 years. We'd also like to call on Mr. Samboy Lim and Alan Kainik, who also played for the San Miguel franchise. Ito, natatandaan niyo pa ba to? From the Royal True Orangemen, Warley Cuevas! Ngayon, mga kababayan, PBA fans, let's now meet the players who waged war in the PBA's most intense rivalry, the Crispa Toyota Battles. From Toyota, palakpakan po natin, Orly Bauzon! Susunod, mula din po sa Toyota, a guy who can shoot the lights out from outside, Rodolfo Ompong Segura. Ating po susunod na tatawagin also from Toyota, a guy who actually defined what a power forward was, and the very first, if my memory serves me correctly, the very first PBA Rookie of the Year. Ladies and gentlemen, Gil Cortez. Ating susunod na tatawagin, you know him well as the Fortune Cookie. From the Crisper Redmanizers, Fortunato Atoyco. Last but definitely not the least, let us welcome the PBA's living legend, the barangay captain of the most popular barangay in the country, formerly of Toyota and playing coach of Barangay Ginebra. Ladies and gentlemen, Senator Robert Sonny Jaworski. And now we would like to request Senator Jaworski to say a few words, if you will.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Alam ko po nag-i-enjoy kayo dahil very exciting yung first game. But unang-una gusto ko pong pasalamatan ang inyong pasensya dahil dito sa pagkakataon na inaalala po namin nung kami mga 7 taon pa lamang at nagumpisa ang PBA 35 years ago. Una po, gusto ko pong pasalamatan ang pamilya ng mga pioneer companies that put everything together, put a vision together para po mangyari ito. Napakarami po nila. But marami pong nandito sa atin, kaya po mabuhay po kayong lahat. And of course, ito po nabanggit na kanina, yung mga magigiting naging commissioner na nagtulong-tulong para po umunlad itong PBA. Marami pong istorya, subalit sa being a representative of my co-players, gusto ko pong pasalamatan ang lahat ng mga sambayanang Pilipino na nagtanggap sa amin sa inyong mga bahay-bahay. Kung wala po kayo, wala po kami. At papaalala ko din po yung mga manlalaro. Minsan po wala nang pangtinapay, papanood pa ng PBA. Kaya pagbutihin po natin ang paglalaro para masayahan ang ating mga kababayan. But we also have to congratulate the leadership of the PBA because of their socio and economic contribution to this country. Hindi po nakikita ng iba, subalit na